Guys, good morning. We are in the chick pens. My little one feeding the chicks. What the name the big one, Baba? The black one. What the heck? The baby one. What's the name the baby one?
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets?
I know what eating.
Where's Oi Oi?
Don't know what you are. See, they know other chicks.
I think there is Oi Oi.
No.
No?
See, that one window over there is the super.
My little one always feeding the chicks every minute. I love. Hmm?
Yeah.
Ay?
What's with the that not?
My future sa bungero. Wow!
Hey, Mom.
You're feeding using your hands.
Mama, turn on my food. I don't know my food. Oh, chicken nuggets on my food. Look at my food.
I think tonight you're turning a chicks, Baba.
I won't.
You won't? Because you're always here all the time. Hmm? Tonight you have a wings growing up on your back. Would you like that?
No.
No? Hala, hala, look.
What's this, Mommy?
Hmm?
Come and hold this thing.
Where are you going?
I tried to catch them.
Nah.
See? This is that food.
Ivory? Oh, sabongero. Future sabongero, ha? Oh, let go, let go, let go, let go. You're turning a chicks later on, Baba?
I won't.
Why? Why you do what? Because she always here all the time. Look what you've done. You always feed them.
Mom, open the seeds on here.
No, don't put in the... No, don't see that. Oh, no. Look what you've done.
The white it, see? The white it.
Yeah, but that's not good. You need to put that on the container.
It is good.
Huh? Be careful. Some chick behind you. Look. Can I cook the what the heck, Baba?
No.
Huh? The one, the black one.
No.
I want to cook that one.
No.
No?
I want a puppy, not a chickpea.
I put that on the...
I want a puppy, not chickpea.
Huh?
No, there was a small pea.
Dali na.
I want big pea, not small pea. I want to eat a weed.
Look what you've done. Look, the grapefruit.
That's a waving those things on, but sometimes just get them all.
The one or the big one? I want to cook that one.
No.
No?
Yeah, because I don't want to.
Kuya don't want to? Why? Why Kuya doesn't want to?
Because he's so beautiful. Don't cook him.
Because the black one is so beautiful. How about the small one?
Yeah, he's good too.
I want to cook that one as well.
No.
Huh? What's the name that one?
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets. Oh. Put it down. Let go na.
Is he so cute?
Mm-hmm.
Did he know?
She's cute like you.
If he catch boat.
Hala, look. Jump on your back. Oh no. Hala. Oh, watch out. Get out.
No, don't say that to him.
Why?
Hey.
You love it? I thought you're scared.
No, don't say that whatever again.
Okay. She like you. She jump on your back, Baba.
And that's so cute.
That's super cute. But I want to cook that one.
No.
Huh? Can I cook it?
No.
That one you hold it, the black one. Hoy, nabuang na. No. They does it fighting each other, Baba. Put it down. Nabuang naman yung
No,
batan.
I wanted to picture them.
Sa bungiro ay.
I want to get the wings.